Hello scrappers. Today I'm going to do a quick review on this Vevor impact socket set that I just got. It looks like it's got 65 pieces, and it's the main materials is CR-V. It's an industrial grade steel, and it says Vevor tough tools, half the price. I'm sure you can get this at vevor.com, and I'll also have this on my Okie Scrapper Amazon affiliate page. And this thing's heavy. It's a very good case. It comes with the 2 latches in the front with the orange, and then it has 2 latches on the sides too. So yeah, it's going to stay closed good. Weighs about 30 pounds, something like that. And basically, it's like getting 4 socket sets in one. Yeah, I mean, look at all those sockets. You got pretty much full set going from 10 millimeter deep to 24 millimeter, and then your shorts are 10 millimeter to 24. Of course, this is all 1/2 inch drive, and then we got deep sockets 3/8 up to 1 1/4. And we got the standard impact sockets from 3/8 up to 1 1/4. I had a guy, before I retired, I had a guy at Hobby Lobby ask, why are metric sockets, why do they fit a standard 1/2 inch or 3/8? Why is that not metric? See, I got company. Anyway, there's a good solid set. You got your, what is that, about 8 inch extension. Oh, no, it's probably closer to a foot. May have to get a tape measure over here and measure it. Okay, we got a 10 inch extension. And of course, there we've got our, well, I thought it was a 6 inch, it's a 5 inch. And then we got a little 3 inch. We got a swivel. Comes with it. Nice little swivel. We got our 3/8 drive to 1/2 inch drive, and we got our 1/2 inch drive to 3/8 drive, and it comes with a nice ratchet too. So it looks like a good heavy duty set. Like I said, I do have a link for this on their Amazon page. It's $99.99, but if you look right below the main title and the price there's a coupon checkbox. If you check that before you add it to the cart, you'll get an $8 off. So you get it for just over $90, about $92. I think it's a pretty good set, because you're probably going to look at $25 for each set, and then more for the extensions and the swivel and the ratchet and the adapters. So yeah, I mean, and you got everything you need here for about any size lug nut you could imagine. So it'd be a good set to have in the shop or have in the vehicle. But actually, it'd almost be nice to have one in the shop and one in the vehicle. So I thought I'd share this with you guys real quick, and I would highly recommend it. I think Vevor has some good tools. I know on their website they've got about everything you can imagine. But like they say, quality tools at half the price. Some of them brand name tools, they're getting kind of crazy in price. But it's well packaged. I like the case. Yeah. So get you a set, and I promise you, you won't regret it. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.